Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video let's see what are the messages for you. And as these are general readings, won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages for Scorpios. Okay, so we have the Two of Cups, the Queen of Pentacles and the Devil, the Six of Wands, the Five of Pentacles, the Nine of Swords, the Queen of Wands, the King of Wands and the Eight of Pentacles. Okay. So Scorpios, you are definitely dealing with a relationship here, okay, which started off really beautifully, but somehow you are now giving it second thoughts because there is something in this relationship which is coming up and doesn't seem to be healthy to you. Okay, so a new friendship, it was a new connection, definitely. It blossomed beautifully. Initially things feel to be very good, and now you realize that there is something in this relationship which is not healthy for you, for them, for both of you perhaps, and now you are just rethinking and reevaluating your decision. That's what I feel. Okay, with the Six of Wands, Five of Pentacles and the Nine of Swords being there, what I feel is that though you thought it's like you want to make things okay, you thought things will be okay, or you thought it's like you thought everything will be fine, it will be beautiful, everything, it will be rosy, something of that sort. But again, because of the Devil, you still want this connection to be okay, basically. That is what it is. Okay, and you are trying to do that, you are still trying to work on it, you are still trying to do that. You want to emerge victorious in this connection, you want this connection to work, that is what you want. But somehow there is, in spite of you trying your best for this connection to work and for you to feel that okay, no, it will work, I'll do something about it, there are people who look up to you. I don't know, there is some sort of happiness and some sort of victory here, but somehow what I feel is in this connection that even though you feel you can't do it, but still there is something which is really bothering you. You feel ignored, you feel rejected over here, you really feel left out in the cold. There is definitely a sense of loss, a sense of abandonment over here, and this is really worrying you basically. There is a lot of botheration regarding this connection over here. Okay, a lot of sleepless nights, a lot of overthinking, maybe you are overanalyzing also, but still there is something, the problem is there. The relationship is not as beautiful as you thought it to be. Okay, with the Queen of Wands, the King of Wands and the Eight of Pentacles in the near future, what I feel is that even in spite of all this, since you want it to work, you are still trying hard to do that, because there is a lot of passion between both of you. There is a lot of attraction, there's a lot of passion, there's a lot of attraction between both of you. So maybe because of that, maybe the passion itself can come out as a Devil. That is another aspect. So there has to be some emotions also, that is another aspect. But otherwise what I feel is that because of the passion there, maybe there is a beautiful chemistry also, I don't know. But anyway, both of you are taking a decision to work on it, at least for now. So in spite of this toxicity or unhealthiness in the relationship, in which one person really feel ignored and rejected, and they really have a lot of anxiety and tension because of this, whatever is going on in this relationship. But because of the passion still being there, you are ready to work on it, still wanting to work for it, you or both of them, both of you, sorry. Let's see what is the message from this deck. Okay, the Ten of Diamonds. So this is happiness, this is a family card, this is commitment. So maybe this is a committed relationship, or that is what you are working towards. So Scorpios, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.